If you're considering Kraken for managing your investments or finances, you'll want to stick around for this breakdown. While Kraken offers a solid experience, there are some important things you should know before committing, especially when compared to other financial apps. Let's dive right in. First thing to note, Kraken is known for being one of the top crypto trading platforms, but it also offers a range of services like staking and futures trading, making it a versatile option. However, it may not be the best choice if you're looking for traditional banking features, like managing savings accounts or budgeting tools, which apps like Mint or Revolut offer. Next thing to consider is Kraken's fees. While they are generally competitive, fees can stack up, especially for smaller trades. Kraken offers a fee schedule that decreases with trading volume, but if you're a beginner or only planning to trade occasionally, apps like Robinhood or Coinbase might be more cost-effective with their simpler, commission-free models. The third thing to note is Kraken's security. Kraken has earned a strong reputation for safety, offering two-factor authentication and an insurance policy for digital assets in cold storage. But, as with any platform, you're still at risk of account hacks if you're not vigilant, so it's always worth double-checking your own security settings. The fourth thing to highlight is Kraken's user interface. While it's not as sleek as some of its competitors, like Coinbase, it is packed with advanced tools, making it ideal for more experienced traders. But if you're a beginner, the learning curve might be steep compared to simpler apps. Next up, Kraken's customer support is worth mentioning. Kraken has 24/7 support, but some users have reported slow response times, especially during busy trading hours. This is something to consider if you want faster customer service, as platforms like Revolut provide near-instant responses. The sixth thing to know is Kraken's asset variety. Kraken supports a broad selection of cryptocurrencies, from Bitcoin to more niche altcoins. However, if you're interested in trading stocks or ETFs, Kraken won't be the right fit, as its focus remains squarely on crypto. For those looking to diversify beyond digital currencies, apps like Robinhood or eToro might be better suited. The seventh thing you need to consider is Kraken's mobile app experience. While it has a functional app, it's not as intuitive or user-friendly as some competitors like Gemini or Coinbase. The app can feel a bit clunky at times, and some features are harder to access compared to more streamlined apps. The eighth thing to mention is Kraken's liquidity. Kraken is one of the most liquid exchanges for cryptocurrencies, so if you need to make large transactions, this is a big advantage. However, if you're trading smaller amounts, other apps might offer a more seamless experience with less slippage. Next, Kraken offers staking options for various cryptos. If you're looking to earn passive income, Kraken provides a way to stake your coins directly on the platform. However, staking rewards vary greatly across different assets, and you may find better rates elsewhere, especially if you're willing to use a platform like Celsius. The 10th thing is Kraken's advanced charting tools. These tools are great for professional traders, but if you're just getting started, they can feel overwhelming. If you're looking for something simpler, apps like SoFi or Revolut might be more your speed. The 11th point is Kraken's mobile wallet. It's a handy feature for storing cryptocurrencies directly in the app. However, if you plan to hold large amounts of crypto, you might want to consider using a hardware wallet for extra security. Finally, Kraken's regulatory compliance is a big plus, as it operates in many countries and follows strict regulations. However, it's still not as user-friendly in some regions, so be sure to check if Kraken is available and fully compliant where you live. So, Kraken is a solid option for experienced crypto traders with a broad selection of coins and staking features, but it may not be the best fit for beginners or those seeking traditional banking options. If you want something more user-friendly with a range of financial services, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.